Welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen. So today we will be making some ham rub for our ham for Easter. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take roughly 2 tablespoons of the some hot mustard, Dijon. Okay. Dijon's good to use, or if you have a hot German style mustard, this one's good. Okay. If you want 2 tablespoons, 1. Here, I can use the rest of this. 2 teaspoons of Maggie. So if you don't have Worcestershire sauce, use some Maggie. 2 teaspoons of Maggie. Okay. Again. One more. Right. Maggie. Done. Oh, who doesn't like ham during Easter? Alright. And don't forget to like the video. Okay, so 1.5 teaspoons of mustard powder. Okay. Got it going. Okay. Yeah. 1. Okay. That's 1.5. Of course, I'll have the list of the ingredients right above there. Okay. Don't not to worry. What else do we need? We need ground pepper, 2 teaspoons. New recipe for me too, okay? Alright. 1. Black pepper, alright. 2. Okay. Cumin. Okay, so we need 2 teaspoons of cumin. First time I've done a kind of a dry rub recipe for our ham for Easter, so that'll be cool. Alright. Yeah, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. You always have to make sure you have all the ingredients. Okay. I just have them listed on the TV so I can see what I'm doing. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this up. Give her a taste. Let's see what we're working with here. Right? Oh wow, that's interesting. Good spice, but oh yeah, you got flavor there. I like that. I think I'm onto something here. Now we'll go grab our ham. Lovely ham. Alright. Now. This is a butt and ham. That's good. You can do shank or butt, whichever one you want. Oh, we have to do preheat oven. 1 second. Because you're pretty much, the ham's fully cooked. All we're doing is pretty much heating it up. Putting a nice little rub on it. Okay, so that's good. So we are going to cook it for 2 hours, 350. It'll be like close to the time. Okay, so we take a paper towel. Make sure it's dry. Now I'm gonna squirt. Pardon my French. Just gonna score them. Professional scorer here. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's a little better. I can kind of see what I'm doing. If you store the ham, you can get all that nice good flavor in there. Okay, now I'm just going to toss some rub on here. Just brushing on the little ham. Interesting little marinade here. I think I'm on to something here. I really hope it's going to be good. It's not sweet, so all of the ham. So. And this is the first time I've tried this, so this is kind of a new thing. So give it a go. Yeah. What are we serving with this ham? We are serving asparagus. We're having my famous stuffing, which is over there. I'll show you that. The famous stuffing, so click above for the stuffing video. This stuffing goes good with any time, anything, just by itself. It's beautiful. Okay. Oh, what the heck. We'll put a little on the front too. I haven't need a roasting pan. I have a roasting pan. Okay. Yo, what kind of chef doesn't have a roasting pan? Come on. Alright. I'll put okay. This, cause if it's not good, oh, that's bad. No. But I like the marinade, so it's pretty good. It's not sweet. Kind of wanted to go with something not so sweet. Alright, let's throw her in the oven. Oh, right. Preheat the oven. 350. Shouldn't take too long. Grab our roasting pan. The roasting pan. pan. Alright. Here we'll go. This is chicken stock. Bad boy in the oven. Okay. For about 2 hours. So we're just waiting for the oven to preheat and toss her in the oven. Ham in the oven. 2 hours and we'll have a beautiful ham. Cool. Come back, check out our ham. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit subscribe. Asparagus. Okay. What I'm gonna do asparagus is I'm supposed to wash them. Cut the ends off. So just like that. Okay. Ends off. Oh, you can save this and make soup out of it. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. So cut. Okay. Water's boiling, so add some salt. Add sea salt or kosher coarse salt is good to use for veggies. Pull our ham out. Asparagus is over here waiting to put in, so that's fine. Oh. Take this for Mr. Ham. I don't know if we're all done. Slice him up. He's good. He's good. Ham is good. There. Yeah, so hams don't take very long because they're usually fully cooked. You buy them fully cooked and you just slice into them. It's more of this, like, you know, getting a little color on there. Good to go. Yeah, I did them for like an hour and a bit. It's totally fine. He's a small one, so it's totally, you don't want to dry him out, that's the thing. Actually, I'll just start to chop him up. How's that? Okay. I'm going to cut him up. Water's almost boiling. We're good to go. And this is pretty much how you carve a ham. Oh. Our water's boiling for asparagus. Into the pot. Oh yes, I have a split pea, so I'll make some split pea soup with this ham bone. So another dish to show you. You don't want to waste any of this ham. It's a beautiful little juicy ham. So cool. Heat it up. Our stuffing. Stuffing. Okay. We're gonna finish off with asparagus. We're gonna fry our asparagus. Season it up. Oh. Strain. Okay. It's all good. So our butter's melted. Okay. Asparagus. Into the pot. Okay. Thyme and garlic. Salt. Pepper. A little bit of Maggie. Get the asparagus happy. Yeah, touch of onion powder. Okay. Happy Easter. Like, subscribe, share. See you next time. Love you.